Yo, what is up guys? It is Haunted DJ. Today I will be doing a Arsenal tutorial requested by my friend at school. So I haven't uploaded it in so long, I don't know why. It's probably when school started and I just have to get all that stuff done. But I am here again with video, so my friend requested an Arsenal tutorial because he said he wants one. I don't know why he asked me because I'm kind of bad at this game. But I don't know, let's just do standard for this one. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna be doing this, so alright. Updating servers, okay. Alright, here we go. So, what I try to do, if you're in
do
a
this
game
quickly,
with someone,
alright?
like, jumping, technically your cursor wants to go with them. That's hard for me though. But like, I can't.
Bonus ducks!
Like that, see? Like your cursor wants to go with them. And if you want to do like all these headshots, I'm not good at headshots, so maybe, yeah. My cursor stayed in the same point when he was not there. Like, a lot of times I just like shoot wherever and hope for luck, but like, yeah. I try and get the cursor to follow wherever they're moving, like your purple cursor. Like, once you like see it on there, just shoot. Cause I sometimes like have to wait, like this, like.
Bonus ducks!
There we go. Like as I saw it on,
That's how
I
you do
shot.
it.
So. Oh, I thought that was a laser. But as they move, your cursor moves like that. I only have 10. Can I go for like that? Like if I see them, that guy was lagging. I couldn't shoot. But like that's pretty much all I have, honestly, right now. Anyway, I mean, you can jump like that to get more headshots. Like this, it'll go for the head one.
Good shot! You got his head!
Because see, I feel like I'm just like, what I did right there is I was moving with A and not moving my cursor where he was. So that's why I missed it. Like if you're just moving like this, you'll probably miss. But if you like actually move your cursor towards them, you'll probably hit your shot. But no! See, I kept like if you see them, keep your cursor on them and keep shooting. Like, see, like, I am just moving the screen around like crazy. That's how I'm, like, missing my shots. And moving ASD like this will not hit your shots. If you actually move your cursor, then you will probably hit your shots more. So
That's how you do it?
oh, by the way, that pepper gun, if you're trying to shoot fast, like this, if you're only doing this, if you have your mouse, take both fingers and hold them down at both clicking things at once. So should I backslide? I've never used that gun before. I haven't played since like in forever. I feel like I got killed by that guy like every
Nice! You got him!
This guy, I feel like is sorry. This gun is weird. Look it! It's like a little guy.
That's how you do it?
Get die! No! Someone assist me. Let's go. Huh? Okay. Just laugh. Laugh that out loud. Just laugh.
Does anybody?
Yeah, I want
Anybody want coffee? Because I'm having a cup of coffee.
I have that dance.
I'm having a cup of coffee. Does anybody want coffee? Because I'm having a cup of coffee. Anybody? Who wants coffee? I'm having a cup of coffee. Does anybody?
There we go. Alright, next game.
Alright,
Let's
the
see if we
time's
can
come.
this one if we
Don't
can.
let me down.
There we go. I might be making 2 videos today, so stay tuned. I don't take them as like so much like I'm gonna get so much kills. You get 1 and they'll freaking kill you. It's so annoying.
Hey, you got him! Good shot! You got his head!
How did I not hit him? I swear, I am gonna need one of those slow motion things because I've been hitting all my shots. I hit all those shots right there when I was facing that guy. Probably. Oh, I almost killed that dude right there. Night dude. Oh, okay, I didn't hit that shot. I had it aimed up on his head. Hope I'm not doing what I told you not to. Move your pulse. No! Move your grip. Move your... You're choking. You're choking. Yes, I am. I need to get revenge on this guy. Yes.
Wow! You
No!
blew his brains out! Nice!
Oh no! Hey, at least I'm gonna... Oh, this is a laser tag. Oh, wait, why are we getting all these lasers? 15? Not bad. What am I'm losing ASD. Don't do that. We're missing out. Okay, there we go. Hi. There
Good
we
shot!
go.
You got his head!
Got. Oh,
Good
there
shot!
we go.
You got his head!
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh gosh, this guy's in the lead. No. I knew someone was going to come down right there.